Hi, I wanted to share my summer album with you, which has a couple layouts in it for Colorcast Design with this month's everything kit. So this is the first page of my album. Then this is my next layout. Here is a Colorcast Design piece that I used from this month's kit. It's called Today, and I actually painted it. It's a wood veneer that I painted. Next, I did this page in a Pinkfresh Studio Crop and Create event. And then another page in my album, story in my album, sorry. And then this is a big one for me. This is where you'll also see that I used another Colorcast Design piece, another wood veneer. This is about us getting our fireplace turned into gas, and a story about Jakey and his licky mat, which he just went to town on. He loved it so much. And as you can see, I used this Colorcast Design wood veneer as my title from this month's kit, and I added some older pieces from a few, might have been last year already. And then I'll just give you a quick look at, I'm working on my next layout, and you can see that I'm going to use another piece from this month's kit. Can't wait to see what you're creating with this month's kit. Take care.